You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how guns work. Let's break it down in a flash. When you pull the trigger, it releases the firing pin. The firing pin hits the bullet's primer and... boom! The gunpowder ignites, creating high-pressure gas. This gas pushes the bullet forward and it spins down the barrel thanks to rifling. The spin makes it more accurate. The empty shell gets ejected and the next round is ready to go. And that's how a gun works in seconds. Like and follow for more cool breakdowns.